What is
Yeah.
Silverstream? What did you ship this week?
So, hello everybody. I'm Manuel. I'm one of the co-founders of Silverstream AI. We are a company that does web agents. Um, these are autonomous agents that can interact with the web like humans do by clicking and typing around the internet. We are trying to focus right now to improve the developer experience. So think of how Heroku makes your life easier. We want to help developers in this ecosystem to just integrate with agents, web agents as possible. We focus on observability. Our key differentiator is that we focus on reliability. So what we want agents where you offload your task and you know it will work. But it also means that there is a lot of work that goes underneath to make it work every time. That's where we specialize. What did we ship last week? Um, so it's more. Last time I was talking, it was 1 month ago. So let's say what we shipped in the last month. One big update is that we last time we talked, we were recruiting some researchers to work on open agents, open models. We can gather. We at Silverstone we collect a lot of web data. This data needs to be turned into a model that people can use. We have some initial good results, which are going to be published at scientific conferences. So that was very exciting, very open, within very much fit with this ecosystem. On the infrastructure side, which is what I guess you care about, we had a much better user experience. This means the time of spinning up an agent. So from the moment you ask us, go on this web page to the moment the agent actually starts to go there, went down a lot. Went from a few minutes to a few seconds. Um, it helps a lot with the debugging, so you don't need to start a new machine and wait for it to start up every time. On the other side, we do a lot of QA for normal people, for B2C kind of customers, and that has been going on for the last month and a half. We are iterating the user experience where to a point where they love it. Something else new is pair user session storage. This is a permanent session that you can have the agent start from, so you don't need to do login every time. You can. It's as if it's your own browser where every time you spin it up, you can have every user remember the past history. This is great for captchas because you don't get blocked if reCAPTCHA or Google or Cloudflare, they know that you are the same user as before. So that was the biggest part of the page. What is going to happen next, and the reason why I'm talking to you, is that we are going to white glove support some teams to work on the developer side of things. So we offer APIs. Our agents are integrated through the Neo ecosystem, so you can call our agent and work with it. The issue is that it's a little bit complex to understand how to work with it. So we want to find 5 to 8 teams to work with very closely. We will give you a lot of support, create a Slack channel with you at weekly or bi-weekly meetings to help you integrate. So now we're looking for the early alpha users. This is the second alpha wave, so you can get all the bugs of the first one. 5 people, 8 people. Do write us on Twitter. So this is the Twitter handle. If you send us a message to get in, what I need to know from you is what is the use case. And the use cases where these agents are great is mostly something that you would do manually, or you would have some very brittle set of playwright or browser automation workflows, and then it breaks. The website changes, something changes, and you need to do small changes, and the code has to be updated. That's where we shine. So if you have these use cases where you cannot scale your agent, you need to scale them with human, whether it's developer or human in the loop, we can help there. So tell us about what you need to do with it. The team, what are you doing with your business today? And we will reach back to you within a few days to tell you if we can help or if it's not yet the time. But this is the big thing. I want to have people to talk with us within the near ecosystem to understand how we can help.
Yeah, man, I'm happy to get you whatever leads you want. So just to reiterate, best for people if they're interested in participating in your beta, message you on
Yeah.
Twitter. but the
Yes.
people who would benefit most from this beta are those who are looking for some sort of automation within their existing applications, like
Yes. Say
in
you want
browser.
say you want your agent to pick up API keys from a website. You need to go on the website and register your agent, get the API keys somehow. And now you can do it with some like Axe, some kind of browser automation, but that will change over time, right? So offload it to us, we will do it for you. And we are here to help people to onboard in the platform. Does that make sense?
Incredible. Yeah, makes sense to
Good.
me. Be sure to follow Silverstream on Twitter, Silverstream AI.
Yeah.
Manuel, is there any place where they can follow up with you directly, or should they just go to
So
Silverstream Twitter?
if you send us a DM or if you tweet at us, we will answer. Now, Giulio, my co-founder, is following the Twitter account as much as you can, and we will reach out very soon, especially if it comes
Awesome.
from the near ecosystem. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, don't be dumb. Manuel has finished his PhD and is doing this for quite a while. And so if you are interested
Right.
in, well, like, there's real subject
Yeah,
matter
yeah.
expertise
I
here. And
should
so,
I should have expanded on that. Yeah. So like our team is very strong on these agents. We've been working on them for 3 years now. And on the technical side, like the CTO is from Google Security. Um, we know how to build software. So we are here to help developers to build your own agent and to make it more agentic. Do rely on our expertise because we are here to do that. Yeah.
beautiful, man. Cool. Well, thanks for coming on, as always. Is there anything else you want to say before we hop off?
No, and I'm really excited about the GPUs on Palo Network. I can't wait.
Yeah, it's so exciting. Awesome.